Greetings! Recently I rediscovered my pretty worn-out lawnmower engine. Back in 2017 I mounted that thing onto my 10th bicycle car, but there were some problems. So just throw that thing away is way too boring, so let's use it one last time for something. What about a 4-stroke pedal spinning top? That would be something. I remembered that I played as child with old electric motors as spinning tops. Later those Beyblade things did come around. So yeah, why not try something similar today? I removed every unnecessary part and installed some kind of counterweight. Also a little servo with a remote control, because I want to floor that thing from a safe distance. Because that thing will become unpredictable and too dangerous to stand nearby. Yeah, that's some first-class gasoline, the cleanest you can get. Hope you don't mind? Well, while testing I discovered some design flaws. The pin ejection is released by its own, caused by those vibrations. Also, that thing is dangerously swinging around. It isn't supposed to do that. I turned off those problems and even mounted 4 battle thieves for extra distraction. Everything's prepared, so here's the first opponent. Wait, what's that? Oh, it's just an old broken radio from 40 years ago.
Robotron. RFT.
Well, maybe it's a shame, but hey, the channel display is broken and the whole thing is a little bit moldy too. So here we go. If you are wondering where's the fuel tank, I'm just using the remaining fuel pipe and the carburetor to storage some fuel. Again, it ejected too early. Round 2. That's a lot of damage. Yes! Saving some. Well, after the second hit, my spinning top already got some serious damage. I wasn't able to launch him again. That little servo motor that was controlling the throttle was broken too. So end of story. I even checked once again the spark and shocked myself just a little bit. So yes, we do have a spark here. So that's not the problem. It still refused to start. Now it's completely broken. I feel sorry for my little airsoft tank drone that didn't get a chance to prove itself. Well, maybe its time isn't come yet. If you throw away one of those engines to the junkyard, always make sure there isn't any oil left in it. Because, well, it's better. Oil is oil. At the end I disassembled the whole thing, because I always wanted to look into one of those. Oh look, how cute! A tiny little camshaft. Sweet. Well folks, that's it. Nothing more to show. Except for those bees I filmed 3 months ago in my backyard. Can't see a problem here.